Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah. Beachgate business,
Hey, my way though.
Hey, hey.
I got that new Glock out there, got that black eye on me. I have what another day. Every time I'm up here, think about it. Should've told my mother, can you make it better? Tryna do it better. And that bitch, I put up, I'm not the break. The gentleman just give me your back though. The mother been frank po. Oh, one mother is on the trap though. But one mother is on the main street. When niggas was shot about shit to get text me. She don't see shit at me. The nigga the trap. But I'm gonna back from back to the side street. When the mother is at me, there ain't no smoke on that. The money will come a bit. On the other bad time, it'll fall a bit. Every time my nigga wanna clap with that. And cap on that nigga. You got that talk, I took that Glock. You know it bought the shit. But then I bought it empty. Can you make it better? So, new Glock. New Glock. Glock out now, niggas talking, getting gangsta nigga wanna pull up on a net, Pull up on that motherfucking net. All do it on internet, Now when I talk about body, but talking on my these niggas, these songs fucking haters. Talking about body, talking shit, I'm out here, know that this on the street. All the niggas got talking about niggas be back though, killing no back though. Niggas want money and niggas want money and niggas want fucking the black dog. Niggas talk about the NGBK, don't diss on my cousin game. That your shit gon' get you hit. They ain't playing with that game, playing about BTK. Yeah, we stand on in that motherfucking business. Yeah. Stand on business, on love Sister Maya. Yeah, that's my favorite sister. That it mean now I love, but you already know. Oh yeah. Stand on business. Culture like we're saying. Yeah, got a new Glock out. Yeah. Got a new Glock. Good time. Yeah, got that new Taurus. I get that fucking Taurus, that shit could cost $192. You gotta have protection. Shit out here, man. BTK business.